you, Sir, Madam. My name is Jemaline Tabil, Filipino. I am 26 years old. I am married. I have one child. My husband working as a farmer. I have two brothers and two sisters, and I am the fourth in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Tabil. How are you right now?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, I must be honest, responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, Madam, I will keep myself busy and doing my job.
Can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, I give them nutritious food, vitamins on time, taking a bath every day, play with them, and love them as my own child.
What if you committed mistakes? What to do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry to them and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, I want to work in Singapore as domestic to earn money and be able to help my family and for my child's future.
Thank you, Miss Jemaline, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.